Okay, so first I just really quickly started by making an assembly. This tab popped open. I imported this object from this part studio, and then I wanted to do some force tests on it. So I clicked on this force tab right here, and this pops up. Oh, this is like an additional one that I was, but yeah, here is the load. You can double click it to open the tab like that. And you have to make sure you set what the material is. So I just said PLA and PLA, and I made a plate to represent a bag or something hanging off of it, and I made that PLA as well. And then I made this plate here, stainless steel, to imply like a table or something heavy. And then once you have all that done, you hit show results. It takes a long time to calculate. One thing I didn't know in the beginning, which is why I over-engineered this, is that there is a deformation scale that's automatically put at an instant that will let you view what stress to the object does. So for instance, with just a deformation scale of 1, and with 25 pounds of force going down on this plate, this is the only so I have it playing, you can play it. So it's adding and removing force. Or you can just tell it to show you what it is, and then that's the deformation. You can see that it's only just barely encroaching on the actual big bar support. I think it might have glitched a little bit here, but so for instance, if I change it to 15, you can see it actually starting to move. So you can visualize the movement, and the scale shows you how much movement there is. And it's showing me that at a 1-to-1 scale, I'm only having 0.13 millimeters of movement over at this tip right here. But this just gives you a way to visualize what the actual forces are doing by just multiplying the scale and seeing what happens. Then you have a better idea of where you need to start reinforcing things. How I got the idea for these, this part right here, this piece right here, this outside ring that goes all the way around, all the way around there. And then of course these honeycomb things, all things that I thought about doing because of this little feature. And it's kind of cool to mess around with. So yeah, that's mostly it.